Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ghostage problem on your HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. So first, remove the screen protector or case because it might cause the interference, and let me explain why. So first, when you have a screen protector and it's poorly applied or it's misaligned and it's going off the screen instead of being on it, then that might already cause the ghost touches to appear on the sides. So for an example, it twists to the right, it covers a bit part where the buttons are, and that might cause the ghost touches on the left side because we do not have a screen protector there and there's a little gap. So now for the case, if it's covering even a tiny part of the screen, as you guys can see those bezels, the black space between the case and the screen, when it's covering those bezels and it's covering even a tiny part of the screen, then what can happen is, let me hold my finger, and as you guys can see, the screen is completely unresponsive. This was made because I was holding the button. Now as you guys can see, let's do that, and now I cannot move it. I'm moving it with this finger right here, but not this one. So this is what happens when you have a badly made case. And after that, what you guys can do is clean your screen to remove any debris, moisture and fingerprints from it. So I recommend using the microfiber cloth. I have one right here with me, and I do it like that. I give it a few good swipes. So 3 swipes is definitely enough to get rid of everything. If not, then just keep on swiping until the screen is shiny and clear. And as a last resort, what you guys can do is update your software to fix any touch glitches. So go over to the settings. Now we need to swipe all the way down until we see system and updates, and click on software update. Now as you guys can see, my software is up to date. Let's double check that. It should check for updates automatically. So let's leave, and as you guys can see, it will check for updates automatically. I have the latest version, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important because when you don't have the latest version, then you may have a lot of glitches on your device, including the ghostage problem. So make sure to update. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.